Oh, my learning experience, I have to be honest, I enjoyed every bit of it. My trainer, Masha, she's a very good one. She knows how to go slow and make sure she carries everyone around, along when she's teaching. I also like the pre-test that we do before starting each class. Before we started, we would go over the ones we previously had. She asked us questions and we answered. So that actually helped us to ensure reinforcement of the learning process and along to make sure that any confusion is addressed and everyone is on the same page. I really enjoyed it and it made me look forward to it and get me prepared to go through my books and go over what I did previously just so I answer the right questions. Masha is a good trainer, even if you ask questions that is not even related to what she's doing at the moment, like a past question, she would go back to it and make sure she answered your questions. She carries everyone along. She lets everyone contribute in the class. So it's not just she doing the teaching, we listening. It was really good communication and engagement. I had issues navigating the courses, like finding them where they are on the learning tab, but in the course content, they are very helpful and easy to understand. I would say I found all the training valuable, but the most one that is outstanding for me is doing the project. We had a project and an assignment to the case study. We had to use the tools to answer the questions, conducted all the OCM activities, and did our deliverables. I think doing that project or doing that assignment was most valuable to me because it helped me use all that I have learned in the class, interpret it on the templates and use them effectively. And it has helped me to learn how to do my readiness assessment, my change impact assessment, and how to assess the leadership. The assignment was quite valuable for me because I got involved in the task. It also would help me carry out any other OCM job I find myself in. So it was really valuable for me. The trainer is fantastic. The timing also is good. Yes, I would recommend it to people, even other cohorts for the business analysis and project management. Yes, I would. Well, it's a good place to learn and gives you that a hands-on experience that you would need in pursuit of your career, especially for those who are pivoting into a new career path. It guides one, exposes them to things that they need to be able to stand firm. They make the learning process and the hands-on experience is top-notch. I'm very enthusiastic and hopeful that anyone who comes to learn gets something out. There's also a healthy relationship there. I enjoyed learning and hope to recommend more people.